In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is on sample table, or this is a bookstore monthly sales data. And here this is the month column, and it has couple of items to sell, like book sale, then cafe sales, then customer count, and genre of the month, something like that. So let's see how we can create a graph from this table. So I want to create a graph or chart based on this sales data. So I'm going to select this data. We can select like this way, dragging from here to here, or we can click anywhere of the table and then we can click the column name, so the entire column data will be selected. Now to create a pie chart like thing, we can do one thing. We can click the insert, it will bring this menu. From here we can choose chart and it will be expanded, and from here we have to choose 2D pie. Once we click here, the pie chart will be inserted, and here is showing like this is the month. So we have month January to June, and here this is the month is showing, and this is the sales report based on the percentage of each sale. Right now it is showing like that, and each color code, that means this is April month, this is the April month sale. And in this way we can create a simple graph here. Now I'm going to show you some other graph also. So this time I'm going to select these two column, like book sale and cafe sale. So I'm going to select both the columns. Now I'm going to click insert, and then we have to click chart, and here it is showing different types of chart. I'm going to use 2D column chart, and very shortly it will insert the 2D column chart. And here you check carefully, there are two columns, right? Book and cafe, book and cafe. And here each pair it is showing like that, and so that it is very easy to compare, like how much is the book sale and how much is the cafe sale. You can easily understand the ratio of each month sale. And there is also other chart also there, so we can actually found that, we can use that. Like for example, this is customer count. For this chart I'm going to use this column. And now from the insert button I'm going to insert another chart. So for example, this time I'm going to use the line chart. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will show like this way, and it is showing like which month has highest number of customers. Basically, if we check carefully, like February we have the lowest, January has more than lowest, but this month June has the highest number of customers. So here this is the 600 customer. So in this way this chart is showing this type of data. So that's it. In this way we can easily make a graph in Apple numbers.